Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about binary search and what is the use of that one. So in the binary search, we have to search any target in the order of log n. If it is arranged in the order, suppose here we can see the example. So this array we have arranged the value -1, 0, 3, 5, 9, 12. So here it is arranging in the ascending order. So here it's increasing by 1, means increasing order. So let's try to get this value, how we can try to find this one. Okay, so this let me explain it here. So here what we have to do, we have to initialize the value. So here we are initializing low and high. So low will be the 0 and high will be the size of our array -1. And then we'll start our logic. So if low, here we have to check low should be always less than or equal to high. And we need to calculate the mid value. So low plus high by 2. So here we'll try to find the mid value. And in the first condition only, if low not equal to less than high, then we have to return -1. Okay, and then here we'll try to calculate the mid value, low plus high by 2. If target equal to nums of mid, then yes, then we have to return the mid value, because here we have to find index of the target. If target is greater than mid, in that case we have to increase our low mid +1, and if it is no, then we have to change our high equal to mid -1, and then this will continue on this loop and it will be execute till low not equal to high, and after that if you get the value, we'll find the result. So let's see here the dry run code. So here we just trying to get the value. Let me start writing the code and then we'll come back here again. So let me define first integer low equal to 0 and integer high equal to nums dot length -1. And here what is the condition? We have to write the condition low should be always less than equal to high. And now we need to calculate the mid value. So mid value should be low plus high by 2. So let me put in the bracket and let me check value if nums of mid equal to target. In that case, we have to return the mid value. Else if it is not, then else if nums of mid is less than target, then what we have to do? We have to change our low value. So low should be mid +1. If this is not the case, we have to write the else condition, and high should be mid minus 1. So we are changing the value of the, let me let me first complete the code and then we'll try to check there. Yeah, and if all condition is not correct, then what we have to do, we have to return the -1 value. And let's execute this code. So this is accepted. You can see they're getting the value. And let's submit this code. And this all test cases passed and we got the result. So let me try to explain it one more time here. So what we did, we started our boundary search. We initialized low equal to 0 and high equal to n minus n. N minus is the size of the length minus 1. Here is the search logic. Low should be equal, low is always equal to less than or equal to high. If this is yes, then we have to calculate mid value. Mid value will be low plus high by 2. And if target equal to array of mid, then we have to return the mid value. If no, then we have to, if target is greater than array of mid, so we have to change our low value. So low is the 0 value, then we will change the, it should be now in the second part. It should be, let me write down and then see how we can. So this is the our low, and if this point is the our 0 low value, and this is the high value. Let me write. So this is the low and this is high value, and our target is suppose some should be here. Target is here and our mid is here. So let me write down the mid. Mid is here. So what we have to do, we have to change our low value, and low will be come here, mid plus 1, and then target will be here. Now this will be treated as a mid plus 1 will treat as a low value, and this is the high value. So we have to find only in this area. We don't have to search again in the first part of the array. So this is the way where we don't have to iterate all the value. It's based on the our finding, and then we have to sorter our iteration, and using this approach our code will be the log n order of log n, and we'll find the eligible value. So this is the approach of the binary search, and I hope you got the point how we have to get the result using the binary search. So please, if you have any doubt, please put your comment and then you can ask the questions, or if you like our video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends who have working on the same field or something they want to learn, so that will be benefit for them. From now, I'm signing off. Thank you all.